Welcome back. What I can see now is, oops, I did it again. I went on vacation and my Drape Fit Box came. I took it with me all the way to Hawaii. I thought, oh yeah, I'll have time in Hawaii to unbox it. And then I spent a week in San Francisco and I was like, oh, we'll do this, we'll unbox the box. And then now I got home and I unboxed the box, had this great video made for you, and I never pressed play. Or no, record. I didn't press record. Here's my Drape Fit box. Ta-da! I can't believe I messed up and didn't press record. It was so good too. I got in my box the traditional bag you can do your returns with, and a wonderful note from my stylist, how to style my fit. I also got invoice for the pricing on everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do this differently today. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the outfits and show you them, and then we'll go over the prices afterwards. We got a nice pink blouse that is cottony, and it can be used in a multitude of ways. I think you can unbutton it and leave it open and pair it with something else, or you can leave it this way. It's very soft and it's already crinkly, wrinkly, which is perfect because I don't iron anything. It's by iClick. I believe that's how you say it. And then the next item, these wonderful pants that are also cotton by Banana Republic. They're the shorter length, so I'm not sure if these are going to look a bit like a skirt or if they're going to be pants. And then I got this wonderful black shirt that has a nice scoop neck, and the back has this pattern you can see, and the front has a little pocket. Anyway, I think it's super cute. It has little ruffle sleeves. And then I've got this beautiful V-neck blue blouse that I'm super excited to try on for you. And electric blue pants. And they also feature my favorites lately, bell bottoms. So I'm super excited to try that on. And to pair with everything, they sent me a cardigan that is in a rust color, and it's made by Oceanus. And look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this coolness. Love it. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and try things on for you and give you a little fashion show, and then we'll go over all the price. Outfit number one, my stylist has chosen this cute little flouncy shirt and these little blue pants. This is the way the back looks. And this is the front. I love it. Ooh, it has a boot cut, so it's gonna be super cute. I absolutely love it. This is spot on. This is me, it's comfortable. Let's get the next one. So for this fit, my stylist chose these very comfy pants and this cute little black blouse that has ruffled sleeves and a nice lace print in the back. Very cute. I think she nailed it. It has a little bit of a bow tie here. Unfortunately, I can't show you the top because I think I lied to my stylist about my size. So I don't want to force the zipper, and unfortunately I can't keep the pants. Let's go on to the next thing. One of the other things my stylist sent me is this wonderful soft cotton blouse that I could see being used in a multiple ways. Unbuttoning it with something underneath, tying it up. It could go all kinds of ways. It's really cute and would match almost anything. And I love that it's cotton instead of synthetic fibers. They gave me this wonderful fall sweater, which also will go with almost anything. And it's super cozy. All right, I'm back. So now I'm going to go over with you all the prices of the items. And remember, with Drape Fit, you save 25% off if you keep all the items. Unfortunately, I'm not keeping all the items, but I'm going to share with you which ones I absolutely loved. So the first item, solid front eyelet short sleeve top. That one is $26.55. And that one was this one. I absolutely love it. So this is, I'm gonna keep it. Has little ruffled sleeves, and I don't know why, I just love the little peekaboo of the eyelets that it has. It's really sweet. So this one's a keeper. Once again, that was for $26.55, and it's from Hest, spelled H-E-S-E-D, Hest. Okay, this is a keeper. The next thing is a women's loose fit knit cardigan that's oversized. That is $46.99. So that is this sweater. I absolutely love it. I think it would be a keeper. It's very soft, but I actually have one that's very similar to this. So I'm not gonna get it because I already have it. Not this exact one, but one that's very close. So it's a beautiful style. So I'm gonna send this back to them so that they can send it on or put it back in inventory or however they work it. And the next thing is the floral print ruffle sleeve boxy top. That was this. I absolutely love this top. It was so cute, and I loved the electric blue pants. So this was by, this top is by, let's see here, gotta find the Luna. So it's a keeper. So I'm going to keep that, by Luna. And the price for this one was $29.75. Then we have the Banana Republic pant or skirt type thing that I think I have not been truthful with my stylist as to my size. I didn't want to hurt the zipper, so I didn't zip them up, but these are not staying with me. I'm going to return them. And what I love is with Drape Fit, no hard feelings. Then we have the Plus button-down soft cotton shirt, and that's $29.99. Now with this shirt, I'm having a really hard time deciding if I want to keep it because I can see so many uses for it. And it's by iClick. I'm on the fence about this one. I think I need to talk to my husband and see if I want it or not. And it could be a great cover up. So that plus size down cotton shirt is $29.99. I'm gonna put it over here in the I'm gonna think about it pile. Then we have the plus size wide leg pants, blue, and they are $30. I absolutely loved these pants. Then I think they go so well with the shirt that I'm thinking I'm going to keep them. Yeah, these are a keeper. So another keeper, yay! So I was just rudely interrupted by my camera dying. So let me get this wrapped up quickly. I love these electric blue pants, which are $30. Keeping them, love them. They fit my booty. They're stretchy. And I love the spunky color and the bootleg. And I decided I am going to return this blouse, as comfy and cozy and versatile as it is. Thank you, Drape Fit. You guys did a great job. And I can't wait to get my next style. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and you will find details in the description below on how to get your Drape Fit box with a discount. And I just try it. You'll like it, or you won't. But at least if you don't try it, you won't know. It's awesome for me. Anyway, see ya. Bye.